Select all the ratios that are equivalent to 12:3. So for this problem, I'll start by thinking about whether I can simplify 12:3. And in fact, this ratio can be simplified by a factor of 3. So if I divide 12 divided by 3, and I do 3 divided by 3, both of them can be simplified. And so that will leave me with a new ratio, 4:1. So I'm going to use that as sort of my baseline. So I've already found one of the ratios that's equivalent, and that's 4:1. I can check the next one, 24:6, by either simplifying it using the same strategy that I did for the original one, or I could think about, could I multiply? So I might start with 4:1, and I might think about multiplying to see if I can get the same equivalent ratio. In this case, I could. I'm noticing that I could multiply by 6 and multiply by 6. 6 times 4 is 24, and 1 times 6 is 6. So I just found another equivalent ratio. When I look at 12,000 to 300, I'm going to refer back to the original ratio of 12:3. And if I multiplied both of those by a factor of 100, I would have 1,200 and 300. So I just found another possible equivalent ratio. So I think I've done the first three that are the ones that I know work. And then the problem from here with the combination ones is that you might not have picked the right one. So the correct answer is 4:1, 24:6, 1,200 to 300. So if you chose this combination, but then you forgot one of them, then your answer is not correct. So one of the potential wrong answers here is for someone to pick 24:6 and the ratio of 1,200 to 300. So although both of these are equivalent to the ratio of 12:3, we're missing the one 4:1. And so because the question says to select all the ratios, you missed one of them, and that's why the question is not right. So it's important for these that you maybe begin like I did and check each of the three, like the simple ratios, the one that don't have any combinations, before you start looking at the ones that are more complex. It's easier to get lost when you're looking at more numbers at the same time.